I'm just letting you guys know we're coming all the way from right field with this one.
Woo!
North Africa, man. Fishing trip, 4 different breed lifestyle. We said fuck it. We dropped the bags. We dropped everything. Pulled all our money out of the bank, and we're just gonna full send it for you fans. I know we're only at 240 subscribers, but who gives a shit? That's all life. Life's about opportunity.
Dear Tunis, thank you for teaching us to live in the moment, showing us how this thing called life with the people we love can be so special. I don't know many people who got an opportunity like this. 3 of my best friends, actually, 3 of my brothers, packed our bags and flew over the Great Blue. We did not know what was in store for us. We didn't even know how to use a camera. We just wanted to capture ourselves, having the time of our lives. This trip ultimately changed my life and the way I view things. I met many great people, saw many beautiful places in architecture, even seen saltwater for the first time in my life. I learned to be fortunate for what we have and take advantage of every opportunity that comes to you. I learned to be brave, and I learned to be humble, and most importantly, I learned to pack the bags and fly. It is not death most people are afraid of. It's getting to the end of life only to realize that you never truly lived.
ancient Tunisian days, African style, texture. Check this out, guys. This is beautiful. Look at that. Kelibia for life.
I could teach anything to anyone, it would be to simply stop caring about what others think. People in this day and age are too scared to do what they love, simply because of the fear of being judged. I encourage you to get out there and do what makes your soul happy. Don't follow, lead. Take action, and don't give up on your dream. Thanks for watching, you guys.
It's only love.
We're back at it again with the Masai Bro TV, and we're about to go get it done at Pleasant Acres. We heard that the baths are cracking there. My buddy over there, he caught a couple 5-pounders, but he started a little crip and craws, and we're just gonna go at them, baby. Let's get it.
It's only love.